Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the page you want to save. Make sure Safari is active and the content is fully loaded. Tap the share icon, that square with an up arrow, because add bookmark lives there. Once done, you'll see a menu with options. This is where you begin saving a shortcut so you don't memorize URLs. Make sure you're not in private mode, because bookmarks behave differently. Also confirm the page finished loading before continuing. After tapping Add Bookmark, you'll see fields for name and location. Change the name to something memorable because short names are easier to read on the bar. Tap Location to pick a folder. Choose Bookmarks Bar, Favorites, or a custom folder to keep related links together. Once you select the right folder, you can preview the URL and adjust it if needed. This organization step matters. It speeds retrieval and prevents clutter when you have many saved pages. Tap Save to add the bookmark. Then open the Bookmarks icon to verify the new entry appears in the folder you chose. If you want to rearrange or remove it, swipe left on the bookmark or use Edit in the Bookmarks menu. Make sure bookmarks sync across devices by checking iCloud settings, because unsynced issues often look like failed saves. If saving still fails, restart Safari or your iPhone and reattempt. That usually clears temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.